Delhi Red Fort along Klamalong Kipadupo National Event for Protection of Faith, Culture, Tradition and Public Awareness ajaimek Kipadupo. Lason si kedamtang ni phain korap clear ni Karbinglong penchot kalisi Assam angkang pila pen North East State angkang pi pen ongdung tribal mate inglong asu atum pentame Delhi rong supia long chitong dunlo. Mai pi chengcheprang Ramlila Maidan along India angkang pia tribal atumapan pachetong et pen ang DC Red Fort along Klamalong an armu kache jengpon kipadohut Karbianglong penta Nokhimon thorom atum pen chenglok Kalyan Ashram Hempumukrang asong na pen Rasinja asong atum pentame chitong dun. Alohi sarpo India Home Minister Amit Shah ji wang vieprang India angkang pia tribal atum an ningsi ke dopen mithanga khei dhorom na pen jutang kirim chepang bonang ni na pen ningsi ke dopen kapre ka dhorom rimdunang niluputa mailong ardi dojot pen chithan chipari ponlo. Mailong alohi sarpo India Home Minister Amit Shah ji kaningje tengke UCC ke inglong aso mate ST tumaphan ke thang ki songawi lapen haku pen kirim mithang culture tradition lapen India long ke klang dhorom si rimdunang ji puta mailong than paklar pon. Lapen mailong alohi tumpen Chief Guest Honorable Amit Shah Home Minister Government of India New Delhi President Honorable Ganesh Ram Bhagat National Coordinator Tribal Protection Forum Jaspur Chhattisgarh lapen Dr. Rajkishore Hansda National Coordinator Tribal Protection Forum Jharkhand Mr. Satyendra Singh Khaiwar President Akhil Bharatiya Vanvasi Kalyam Ashram Jaspur Mr. Harsh Chauhan Former Coordinator Tribal Protection Forum Madhya Pradesh Mr. Budhari Tati Member Tribal Protection Forum Bastar Chhattisgarh Mr. Techi Gubin Vice President Akhil Bharatiya Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram Arunachal Pradesh Mr. Hira Kumar Nag Vice President Akhil Bharatiya Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram Telangana Organizing Team Ashok Kumar Gond Coordinator Tribal Protection Forum Delhi Mahesh Mangchanda President atum chitong dunti. News Report Karbinglong Live.